we have in the box the Planar heater. We have the insulating sleeve for the exhaust pipe, the fresh air intake for the burning chamber, the fuel probe you can tap into your fuel tank if your tank is not already prepared. We have the Thomas fuel pump, comes with it. We have 12 feet of fuel line. We have a power supply cable for the controller. We have a power supply cable for the pump and the power supply cable for the heater itself, including the fuses already attached to it. Standard with everything comes the stainless steel muffler. Really makes a difference. Really recommend you using that. With all the fasteners that go with it. The mounting kit for the fuel line and the pump. Some extra cable ties to hold everything tidy, and some other random fasteners you need for the exhaust pipe and for the fresh air intake. As a standard, we are offering the manual controller for the heater. You can also upgrade to the digital controller if you want to. Of course, there's an instruction manual. We have a stainless steel mounting plate for the heater to be mounted onto, and then you can mount that mounting plate onto your camper floor. Makes installing it a lot easier. We also have a 2-foot heat resisting ducting and a flexible eyelet, so you can adjust the airflow in whichever way you want to adjust it. So all the wiring on the Planar 2D heater is color coded, and all you need to do is connect those two waterproof connectors together. It's a plug and play solution, very easy. Okay, so here is, in my mind, the most complicated part of installing your Planar diesel heater, which is not that complicated. But anyhow, you will find in the package the fuel pump control wiring. You will find the small gray plug and the pump. So that plug goes onto the pump when you have the cable attached, and then you just push that metal clip down to secure it in place. This gives you a waterproof, secure connection underneath your van. The reason this plug, it's the only one that's not pre-configured. The reason why this is not assembled in the factory is because now you only have to drill a small hole through your van floor to feed those wires through. If this would be pre-assembled, you would have to deal with a fairly big hole, and we like to avoid that. So in any case, once you have this fed through the floor, you take these two wires, and it doesn't matter if they are left or right or up and down, they cannot be mixed up. You push them in the fitting, both of them together. I can't really do this all the way right now because once it's in, you cannot release them. You push them all the way in, and you flip over this little latch to hold them in place. You will hear a laudable click. Once it's all installed, it should be all waterproof and your pump should work just flawlessly. With the Planar 2D truck kit, we are offering as a standard a stainless steel mounting plate. Simply slides onto your heater. You secure it with the included self-locking nuts. Then you attach your muffler and fresh air intake in the fuel line, flip it upside down, and all you need is a hole that will cover this size in your van body. Flip it upside down, screw it into your floor. That's it. If you have a thicker floor, we have another option. We carry the stainless steel flange that will go in the same way, same principle. Put this on, put the self-locking nuts on, and this flange will protect your insulated floor in a better way.